very posh na hotel sa Singapore na napakalapit lang sa Singapore River. Room rates dito start at 6,000 plus pesos a night lang. Tara, let's go! Pagpasok ninyo, may open closet agad, tapos meron silang bathrobes at syempre, luggage rack. May basin/vanity pa dito. May hair dryer din dito at safe. May Nespresso machine, tea at iba pa. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang mini fridge. Meron silang toilet with bidet at separate shower. May very spacious na living room, may malaking TV at syempre, may comfy couch. Syempre, may work table at M-Social AI. Sobrang ganda ng high ceiling. Dito sa taas, may queen-sized bed, may controls both side, at syempre, may outlets rin. Itong room na to, may terrace pa. May gym, swimming pool, at sariling cafe itong hotel na to.
Walking distance lang ang M-Social Hotel sa Great World Station na isang stop lang, Orchard Road Station na.
Mabobok nyo tong very posh at hip na hotel na ito sa Klook. Hanapin nyo lang ang M-Social Hotel. Malapit lang ito sa Singapore River. Room rates dito starts at 6,000 plus pesos a night lang. Pero itong Loft Premier Queen Room namin, almost 9,000 plus pesos a night lang. Gamitin nyo yung codes namin para maka-discount kayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, bye-bye!